Which function represents multiply by 2, subtract by 4, and then take the square root? We have 4 answer choices. One of them is the correct answer. Let's see which one it is. Are you ready? Let's start. So we must find a function. Now, a general function, always, that probably your teacher or professor uses 99% of the time is lowercase f, this beautiful lowercase f of x. And that's how we say it. We don't say like f of parentheses of x, just f of x, where the letter outside the parentheses is the function. It's the rule. That's all that functions are. It's the rule. And you boss the variable around. The guy that's inside the parentheses, that's trapped to the rule, that's the variable. Now, as we see here, there's tons of different other functions that they could claim. We have a rule that's classified as p as the function, or g, w, and k. And for each one of them, they boss around different variables, y, t, x, and z. Now, I would highly recommend you trying to write out your function using our favorite variable x, and then all you got to do is just match it up. So let's start. The first thing that they say to start off this rule or this function is we want to multiply by 2. But the question is, multiply what by 2? Who are we bossing around? Yeah, the variable. So we're going to bring that variable on in. Let's use our x value. So we're going to take our value, or the variable, and we're going to multiply it by 2. Usually with multiplication, we put the number first, so 2, and then we're going to multiply it by the variable, which is x. So for ours, we have to have a 2 times by the variable. Let's go to the answer choices and see if we could get rid of any choices. The first one has that 2 times y, 2 times the variable. That checks out, so I'll keep that one in there. The second one, I have again 2 times the variable, so that's fine with me. The third one has 2 times the variable, so that's fine with me. The last one, here's my variable, but there's no 2 times it. There's a 2 out here, but it's not directly next to that variable. That's the multiplication part of it. So automatically, goodbye, we're not even looking at number 4 anymore. So let's go into the next part. Once we multiply by 2, then we will subtract 4. And literally, if we just break it down, it says that subtract minus, and then the number 4, so 4. There must be something in front to make it mathematically sound, right? Usually if you have the minus sign, you need something on the left and the right side. But, that's what we're going to be subtracting 4 from, what we had in the beginning. So now 2x minus 4. So let's write that out. 2x minus 4. Let's run through it. Now for the first one, we had the 2y, 2 times the variable, minus 4, but now there's something interrupting it. And that's not what we want. So guess what? Bye. Bye-bye. Now we come down to the final 2. And both of them, 2t minus 4, so that's good to me. 2x minus 4, so that's fine. Now we just have to go to the end result. Now the final thing they say is once we do all of this, we multiplied by 2, we subtracted by 4, then, so basically saying afterwards, after all that is said and done, we will take the square root. And what they mean by this is we want to take the square root of the whole entire thing, right? The whole entire group. So I don't just want to take the square root of the 2x. I don't want to take the square root of just the 4. I want to take the whole square root of the whole entire thing. So when I do my square root, I must go over everything. I want to get that all included. And this would be what you are generally looking for as the part of your function. So from B to C in this case, which one do you think the answer is? Yeah, it's definitely this one. The second one only had another variable down at the bottom, where nothing in the wording said that we were taking the square root of just, that. So it's definitely going to be the third one. Let's just box this off. Goodbye to that. And then we will just box this off and call it a video. Okay. What'd you think? Hopefully this helped. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for having fun. If you guys want more practice and for more fun, head on over to our website, glazersguide.com. There's a link in the description of this video, and also there's a link at the end of the video if you just want to click that as well on the screen. That's basically it for me. So head on over. Tons of fun, tons of practice, learning with me and my brother every step of the way. So we got you guys, and I'll see you there. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
For more practice and for more fun, go to glazersguide.com.
And for more practice and for more fun, come on, go to glazersguide.com.